Prior to coming here at Dr. Barbaro's office, my smile was filled with gaps in my teeth, and I came in here and now it's pretty filled up. The reason I didn't like the gaps in my smile was that it didn't give me the confidence to interact as much with individuals. I interact with a lot of people in the professional world, and even the smile then would have an impact on how I would interact. When I was looking into options, I looked online and found this office and found that they offered a number of services to address the gaps in my teeth. And after speaking with Dr. Barbaro about the different options, I was moved to go in the veneer route because he really gave me the assurance I needed. With the veneer process, first there was a temporary piece that was put in, and so I think I had to wear those for maybe a month or two. Not 2 months, probably closer to a month. And the reason we did that is so that we could make sure that I was comfortable with what the veneers would feel like and how they looked. There was also some whitening involved with my lower teeth so that they would be in line with what the new veneers would look like. And then after that test trial, if you will, I came in, and that's when we had the fun day of making everything permanent. With my new smile, I'm able to concentrate more on content at work. So when I'm having meetings, and I have many meetings at work, I can focus more on what I'm talking about, what they're talking about, and not have in the back of my head, oh, what are they thinking of these gaps in my teeth? When people say nice things about my smile, I'm very humbled. I appreciate certainly their kindness, but I'm also comforted to know that I made a good decision with coming here in Dr. Barbaro's office to get this done.